office has a big footprint. We have like 2,000 acres, over 50,000 students, more than 14,000 staff and faculty. UF consumes a lot of resources. The electrical bill only, it is a few $1,000,000 a month. So you imagine how much fossil fuel is actually burned. So the reason we looked at and say, okay, what are the things that we need to do to minimize that? We actually were the first university to adopt LEED for the design and construction of our buildings. 2006, we adopted LEED for all of the new construction and major renovation projects to be minimum silver. And then in 2009, we raised the bar again to have minimum for all the new construction, major renovation as LEED Gold. And so far, I don't see any slowdown.
One of UF's initiatives related to LEED is the new LEED Lab class. This class is meant to prepare students to work on a LEED project and prepare for the LEED exam. It is open to undergraduate and graduate students from all majors with a focus toward interdisciplinary approach. Graduate students are project managers and direct small teams through the process of accrediting a LEED project.
It's always good to read and study and go through the books and take exams but if you don't have hands-on, it's not the same. We're using most of these projects for our students learning and understanding of green buildings in the built environment. So it become like almost part of the culture of education.
One of the projects that we have been working on is the O'Connell Center. This is one of the UF stadiums that is used for graduation, dance marathon, and other big events like the Career Showcase and the basketball games. It is undergoing a major renovation to become LEED certified, and we as students are assisting in designating which credits the project can apply for and achieve. Our team was assigned the Indoor Environmental Quality credits. The O-Dome has several issues related to the indoor environmental quality, which include lack of daylight and views, mercury contamination on the floors, and the smell of chlorine all throughout the space.
We're standing inside our current office workspace. As you will see eventually, it's very cramped, very small. Right now we have, I believe, 8 full-time staff and or interns that are working within this very small location right now.
The renovation project seeks to address some of these issues. From our research, the O-Dome project is on track to achieve most of the indoor environmental quality credits set out by LEED. The administrative offices will be moving upstairs, which will greatly improve the working conditions for the staff.
We'll be spread out a little bit more, so hopefully will be a little bit better working conditions overall. I've been told that there will be more sunlight. There will actually be windows for some of the offices. Also have an updated exhaust system that will help push some of those chlorine smells and fumes outside of the building. Essentially, the natatorium will be closed off. There'll be walls and doors to make that really essentially its own little space. Right now, we are in a 6 to 7 week process of abating the mercury in the floors of the main arena and martial arts room. It's been an issue for a while here at the O'Connell Center. Really no danger to anyone who walks on it or is in the building, but once it is, the process of abatement does start, there is a very serious thorough process that contractors come in and have to abate that properly.
A lot of people say, oh, it is hard. It is hard, of course, because you're raising the bar and you're becoming more stringent instead of getting used to what you've done. And at once, for us, we've gotten to a plateau. You know, you get all the low-hanging fruit, you do certain things, and then at one point you have to take to that next step and then see how we can do better. And I think going this direction probably is going to be really helping us in terms of attaining the energy efficiency or more energy efficient buildings.